if you have a fraction, we can lengthen the fraction. That is, we multiply up and down with the same number. We can also turn it around, and then we have a rule for shortening a fraction. So if you have a common factor up and down, we can remove it. These are of course the same rules, just switch places of the two sides of the equation or formula. So how could you motivate this? Yeah, it doesn't matter which one of these we motivate, since they are the same. So let's say we start with, take this example. Here we have 10 silver balls that we want to divide up equally among 15 persons. But we see here 10 and 15, they have in common 5. So this we can write as 2 times 5. And this as 3 times 5. So the first expression, 10 divided by 15, is how much do each person get if you have 10 of these silver balls and divide them up equally among 15 persons. This is how much each person gets. Of course, we can just do it directly in some way, but we can also do it in the following way. First, we place 3 persons at 2 balls. So each group of 3 persons will get 2 balls. Then we see that they can be done equally. So we see that the same calculation here, to divide 10 balls on 15 persons, is the same as we first split them up into groups. So we have 5 of these groups. So now we have transformed the problem to, we see that we have 2. It is the same problem as having 2 balls and dividing up on 3 persons. So this will be the same answer if we have 2 balls and divide up in 3 persons. So either way we do this must be the same. So we must have like this. So then we can just read off here. This is the example of this rule here. So we see if you have a common factor, we can just shorten it out, since we have transformed a division problem for the whole thing to a sub-problem, and they give the same answer. So this is the complete problem, this is the sub-problem, and from that follows this rule.